Chipkey Experts Auto Locksmith over here at Belfield Avenue, GM Automotive Group. They sell cars, cutting program, flip transponder key for 2010 Toyota Avalon. The factory remotes, they constantly break. The aftermarket one is very stronger. Cut a flip key, pop the trunk. Pop the trunk. Lock. Lock the doors. Unlock. Hit it once. Unlock the driver. Hit it again. Unlock the other doors. Lock. Unlock into the vehicle. Start the car. Car starts. (2010) Toyota Avalon. Chipkey Experts Auto Locksmith. Visit us on the web at chipkeyexperts.com. Thank you.